The course is definitely for people who don't walk at all, for people whose body doesn't feel like it can even take a walk comfortably. But then there's the group that wanted to be able to walk more comfortably, but who also appreciated a little more technical understanding of their own body, of their own machine.
Even if you walk fine, I'm a great athlete, you probably don't have all of the different nutrients that we have peppered as different spices throughout the classes. There is a sensitivity in the approach that we use. There are modifications all over the place, and we reference, if you can't load your body in a certain way, move like this.
I know plenty of athletes who have no problem walking, but it's always that one hike that they do a couple times a year where their knees are aching. There's something for you in this course. There's an element of form that you haven't been exposed to yet.